Hi, I'm Michael with the Lavatory, your #1 partner in restroom, shower, and laundry trailer rentals. Here we have the 4-station combo. This trailer has 4 sinks, 4 mirrors, 4 toilets, and 4 showers, all in 4 separate private rooms. This trailer is also equipped with 1 stack of laundry and has 2 HVAC units to keep you cold in the summer or warm in the winter. This trailer is very popular for construction projects, homeless outreach, summer camps, FEMA or disaster relief, and really any other situation where you need a complete bathroom with toilets and showers in the same trailer. Let's take a look at the inside. This is the interior of the 4-station combo. As you can see, here's a large vanity, sink, here's a toilet paper, as well as the shower compartment. The shower area is about a 36 by 36 area, as well as has hot and cold water controls. The shower head is metered to 2 gallons per minute. The metering is used in order to provide plenty of water flow, as well as it conserves the tank so the tank doesn't fill up too quickly. The unit has plenty of space to change, move around, as well as hooks for towels or to hang your clothes. This unit is a complete bathroom and is perfect for any remodel. In addition to the 4 toilets, 4 showers, and 4 sinks, the 4-station combo has 1 stack of laundry. As you can see, here is the dryer, which has 7.5 cubic square feet inside. And here is the washer, which has 4.5 cubic square feet on the inside. This area also has a folding table and other space to store your laundry products. This trailer is 27 feet long and 12.5 feet wide with the stairs extended. And up top, it is 12.5 feet tall. So please make sure it is clear from any obstructions on top, whether those be overhangs, tree branches, or any other kinds of obstacles. The access doors to this trailer are on the passenger side of the unit. The trailer requires propane to heat the water, as well as for the dryer. As you can see here, the propane tank is mounted on the trailer, and we can also provide additional propane tanks in case your job is a long-term site. We'll work with your team directly in order to coordinate either propane exchange or set up a service for you. As you can see here to the right, this is the waste discharge area. Our technicians will show up, connect their hoses to the 3-inch cam, and offload all the waste that is inside the trailer. Doing the math, this trailer will take about 350 minutes to fill up just from the showers. So we highly recommend that your site has access to an on-site sewer discharge location. We can work with your team in order to help identify one. If your site, however, does not have a location like that, we highly recommend as an option an external bladder bag. We carry about 1,500 gallon to 2,000 gallon external bladder bags that will be set aside from the trailer. When our technician comes, he'll come and he'll pump the trailer as well as pump the bladder bag. Whatever options make the most sense for your location. In order to utilize all of the functions of the trailer, such as using both the AC units, the pumps, and the laundry units, we do require 1 single phase, 220 volt, 50 amp electrical connection, such as this here. This is a California twist lock configuration. However, if your site does not have this kind of power available, we can work with your on-site team to come up with creative solutions. In order for this trailer to work on bare bones, we can do it by requiring only 1 120 volt, 20 amp electrical connection. Because this is a shower trailer, we also ask that there is an on-site water source, such as a regular water spigot. If there isn't a water spigot available on-site, we can provide an external freshwater bag to provide water for the shower trailer. The freshwater bag will sit on the outside of the trailer and will connect to the unit and pressurize the shower heads on site. Once the unit is all connected, there should be no interruptions in your shower. Thank you for watching the overview of the 4-station combo trailer. This unit truly is a unique trailer. If you have any questions about the power, size, or anything else, please reach out to us. We're excited to work with you. Thank you.